This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty/Lake Country property video is presented by McMichael. Prime location. 27.73-acre property offers rolling topography and is mostly wooded, providing privacy and a convenient location just off Highway 44 in Greensboro. Only minutes from Publix, it has easy access to I-20 and nearby lake area amenities. The property includes an old mobile home that may be recoverable, while the cabin at the road will probably need to be removed. A great option for a private retreat or recreational use. For more information, review the details below or contact McMichael at 706-252-8020.